In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new fixed asset in Xero. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to manage your fixed assets confidently and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to the Xero dashboard. If you're not already there, log into your Xero account and navigate to the main dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Accounting tab. You'll find this on the top menu, and this is where you'll access many of Xero's key features. After clicking on Accounting, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Fixed Assets. This area is dedicated to managing your company's tangible and fixed assets, which are crucial for accurate bookkeeping and asset management. Now that you're in the Fixed Assets section, look for the New Asset button. This is typically located on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a new window where you'll input the details of your new asset. Let's start by typing in the asset name. This should be descriptive enough so that anyone looking at it later will immediately know what it refers to. Next, you'll need to enter an asset number. This is a unique identifier for your asset, and it's essential for keeping records organized. Once you've successfully entered the asset name and number, proceed to type in the purchase price. This is the amount you paid to acquire the asset and is crucial for depreciation calculations later on. You'll also need to choose the asset type from a drop-down menu. Picking the right category helps with proper classification and reporting. Now, if your asset has a serial number, go ahead and type it in as well. This is another identifier that can be useful, especially for items with manufacturer-issued serials. The next detail to fill is the region where this asset is located. Geographic tracking can be important, especially for companies operating in multiple locations or countries. After that, provide a complete description of the asset. While this may seem redundant, a detailed description can be invaluable for future audits or appraisals. Next, you'll select a depreciation method. Xero offers several options, so choose the one that aligns with your accounting policies. Similarly, you will need to select an averaging method. These choices will affect how the asset's value is reduced over time. There's also an option to choose if the depreciation calculations will be based on a rate or the asset's effective life. Make the selection that best suits your financial strategy. Additionally, if applicable, type in a cost limit and a residual value. These figures are used to determine the lowest residual value before depreciation ends. Finally, when you've entered all these details and double-checked for accuracy, click on Register. This will finalize the addition of your new fixed asset into the system. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new fixed asset in Xero.